The one thing I might be able to offer you is if you have files like you have stated, then you need to go into your Google Drive and organize them. And so what you need to do is create a folder. And I've given a lot of videos on that, but I will show you again. New, new folder. And then you put in student portfolio. I can't type portfolio. And then your last name. You obviously don't type in last name, but let's just create that. So there it is, student portfolio. Now, how do I get files in there? That's the now you'd like to be able to drag them, but that's not really that possible. So what you do, let's say it's this file here, and I want to put it into my student portfolio. So I'm going to right click, organize, move, and then I'm going to find student portfolio. There we go. I'm going to click there, and I'm going to move it there. So now when I go into student portfolio, the file is there. I'll show you again. Right click, organize, move, and then student portfolio, move. Okay. And so now when I go into student portfolio, those are those two files. And the problem is I don't have a link to your student portfolio. So what you need to do is find the student portfolio. You're going to right click. You're going to click share. And then you're going to click share again. Here, you're going to click anyone with a link. Then you're going to click editor. Okay, so I have edit status. That's going to be done, but you're going to click copy link, and then you're going to paste in an email and send it to me. And that's the help I can give you. If you have all the files, you should be in good shape. I expect to see them by the end of the day. Thanks.